Hi friends, this is a video in chemistry and the topic we are discussing is a short topic, that is ignition temperature, and we can write the definition for ignition temperature as this is the minimum temperature at which a substance catches fire. It is the minimum temperature at which a substance is burned. It is known as the ignition temperature of that substance. And the substance which has the low ignition temperature are highly combustible. That means which substance has the low ignition point means it needs a small amount of heat is required for catching fire. So we can write like this: substance with low ignition temperature catch fire easily, or termed as they are highly combustible. That is, it needs only a little bit heat to catch fire. This is the minimum temperature requirement, is known as the ignition temperature. How a matchstick, now we can discuss some more questions, that is how a matchstick catch fire even with a scratch. How we can give definition to this: how a matchstick catch fire even with a scratch. What can we write for this? We can give answer like this, that is, in the case of matchstick, these are very important logical question that we can expect in any competitive exams. So we can write like this: in the case of a matchstick, the chemical substance present on its head have very low ignition temperature. So that it catches a fire with very little heat. That means when it struck against a rough surface, there is some heat. Some heat means it is the temperature itself. There is some heat produced due to friction. That is the friction between these two contact areas. Friction between these two contacts, there is little bit heat is produced, and due to this heat the matchstick got fire. And we can write, and it is enough to catch fire. This is the reason for a matchsticks to catch fire easily. Next we can consider another question. Another question. Why a paper burned by a matchstick while a piece of wood cannot be burned with the help of matchstick? What can be the reason? That is the next question. That is, paper burned by a matchstick. We can burn or we can fire a paper with matchstick. While a piece of wood cannot be burned with the help of matchstick. That means a wood needs kerosene or burning paper to catch fire. How can we explain this condition? We can explain again in terms of ignition temperature and can be write like this. In the case of paper, ignition temperature is some more high than that of matchstick. In the case of we can write answer like this. In the case of paper, the ignition temperature, that is the minimum temperature required to catch fire or burning. In the case of paper, the ignition temperature is some more high than that of a matchstick. That of matchsticks. That means it needs heat produced by a matchstick that is the paper needs a heat produced by a matchstick to got ignited. That means the temperature produced by a burning matchstick is enough to catch fire on a paper. But in the case of wood, the ignition temperature is higher than that of paper. That is the minimum temperature required. The ignition temperature is higher than that of paper, and it is the heat, the enough heat required is heat produced by burning kerosene. That is the temperature produced by burning kerosene is the ignition temperature for a wood. That is its meaning. That is the burning kerosene or paper. Burning paper is needed for wood to catch fire. That is the ignition temperature of wood is higher than that of paper, and the heat produced by a burning kerosene or paper is required for the wood to reach its ignition temperature. Then only it catch fire. That is the reason we can write. These two logical questions are solved here. Next I can write, that is, kerosene oil catch fire even with a little heat, but the wood still not catch fire. Another method of question is like this, that is, this is the different way of question in competitive exams. That is, kerosene oil catch, we can expect like this, that is, the kerosene oil catch fire even with little heat or temperature, but wood still not catch fire. Why? We can simply explain this with the help of ignition temperature. We can write like this, because the ignition temperature of so we can give reason to this question like this, that is, because ignition temperature of kerosene oil is lower than that of wood. So kerosene requires a little bit temperature to catch fire, but in the case of wood the ignition temperature is high, so it requires more heat to catch fire. So we can write like this, so kerosene catch fire at low temperature than that of wood. That is, wood requires more temperature to catch fire. And in the case of a frying pan heated, another question we can, in the case of frying pan kept on a burning stove for a long period, frying pan with oil on a burning stove for long time, what happens? The cooking oil we can write the answer like this, the cooking oil in the frying pan, cooking oil in a frying pan kept on a stove for long time catch fire. These are always occurred in our everyday life, so we should be aware about it. So this is the scientific explanation given to this for a long, and we can write here like this, that is, a stove on for long time catch fire because the heat in the pan heated pan is enough for the heat in the pan, that is highly heated pan is, we can write much more better way, that is the highly heated pan is enough for the oil to catch fire. All these questions are explained in terms of ignition temperature. Another question, that is, if a wet paper and a dry paper are taken under a matchstick, wet paper bar dry paper kept under a matchstick, under a burning matchstick, what happens? This can also be explained in terms of ignition temperature, that is paper without water. We can write answer like this: dry paper catch fire immediately, because the ignition temperature of dry paper is very less. Catch fire immediately because the reason is its ignition temperature is low, so it catches fire immediately. But in the case of wet paper, the heat is transferred to water by conduction, so the required ignition temperature cannot reach. So the paper, in the presence of water, the paper cannot reach its ignition temperature. So it does not burn. That is the reason. This much is the video related to ignition temperature. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.